If you are a real estate developer, channel partner, or a owner, get in touch with us and we will help promote your property. And welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, we promote properties relating to apartments, villas, and plots. Make sure to stay subscribed so you never miss an update. If you haven't found your perfect home yet, get in touch and we will let you know properties that match your needs within 24 hours. Hi everyone, welcome back to another housing vlog. So in today's video, I have this newly launched project from Trifecta Projects by project naming Trifecta Vanto. So this project is located at off Sarjapur Road behind Wipro Special Economic Zone, Kodati, Bangalore East. It's an RERA approved project which is spread across 9 acres of land parcel. You also get 50 plus indoor and outdoor amenities with 80% of open space. The project was launched in May 2024 and as per RERA, the project will get its possession in August 2027. Overall, this society has got massive 825 units with availability of 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Basic price at the moment is 8,199 and is subject to change in future without any prior notice and depending upon other terms and conditions applied. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.